Okay, good morning, everybody. This is Madonna from Mad Bees Quilts and Sew, and welcome. We are doing our 6 days of summer, and today is day 2, which means I've got another great deal for you, and I've got some fun things to show you. So this morning, I am working with Fabric Cafe, and Fabric Cafe is one of our favorite companies because they do awesome 3-yard quilts. So I have 2 different 3-yard quilts, a pattern, and then a new tool for you. So the pattern I'm going to use today is actually called Puzzle Me. It's a 3-yard quilt, and so it's got some really neat fabrics in it. So I've come out with 2 different curated groups. One is group A here, which are some beautiful Moda fabrics. Yep, move over, okay. Group A here, which will work great for it. Or you can choose group B, which is the black and white and yellow group, which is really pretty. So that sounds like a great deal. You know, we're doing another 3-yard quilt, but here it gets better. You know, we have to keep upping the ante. If you choose to purchase either one of these kits, okay, so A or B, and the deal today, okay, so it's a whole little combo, and let me show you everything that's in it, you will actually get the class for free. So the class is happening on September 26th. You'll call up, you'll register, you'll say, I bought the deal, and then you won't have to pay a class fee. So you're getting fabric, get it over here, fabric A or fabric B, the pattern, and a class, and one more thing. This brand new tool to Mad Bees. I am in love with it, okay? I have to tell you how cool it is. It is this wood block, okay? Now, it's not just an ordinary wood block. It's a very well-made wood block, okay? All the sides are really nice and smooth. It's got a perfectly flat surface on it. It doesn't have any finish on it. So what it's going to do is give you wonderfully pressed blocks. I'm always boasting about getting a clapper because I love them. Well, the weight of this on top of your blocks is going to flatten them out awesome. I also just recently learned a really cool trick, and I love this, okay? So I typically press in one spot and then I put my block on it. But I actually now take my iron and heat up my wood block first and then set it on top. And oh man, it is making some beautiful, crisp, flat seams for me. So I have got a wood block. I have got kit A, I have got kit B, and I have got the 26th of September class, all included for the low price of $60. A, B, with C, all for $60. That is such a fabulous deal. You're saving at least $6, well, more than that because you're not paying a class fee. I would ask you one favor though. If you come to that class, please bring your food donation. We always do these 3-yard quilts, and I usually do them for a reduced fee, but I do want you to help out with the food pantry. We took over a very nice sized box the last time. They were so gracious to be able to get that. So we are on day 2. We are working with Fabric Cafe, Puzzle Me Quilt, Group A, Group B, plus our C, our brand new pressing block, all for $60, including a class. You can't beat this one, grab it. Remember this though, that once you grab this, if you do the whole deal, which why wouldn't you, you also get entered into the $50 gift certificate drawing that will happen on Saturday the 7th. So it's like a bonus day. Somebody will win a $50 gift certificate because they've purchased a whole bundle. So go for it. That's what I know, and have a great day today. What else do I need, Deanna? Anything?
Tell them how to get it.
Oh, yes, tell them how to get it. Okay, so you have 3 options of how to get it. 1, you can send us an email, and the email address is right here on the bottom. 2, you can call us. And 3, you can walk in the door and tell them. None of these are ready for you to pick up and purchase today. They will take us some time to get everybody's bags put together. So this is not an item that you walk in and you buy. We do not have these blocks. We do have the blocks, but we don't have them available for purchase as of yet. We will, after the promotion's all over, all of these things will be out for you to grab if you just want a single item, but your best value is to grab it the day that it's happening. So we're on day 2, and
share with your friends.
Please share with your friends, okay?
And don't stress if you're missing these live videos. We're posting it to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So if you're missing it right at this moment, that's okay. We're posting it later, so tell your friends that as well.
And if I sound like I'm garbly to you, just watch me in 2 minutes from now, and then I won't be garbly, okay? It's just something with how automation and all this stuff works.
Yep. And then let's go ahead and show them what fabric A is up close
Fabric
a little bit
A,
here.
okay, perfect. Fabric A. Super pretty Moda group. Fabric B, and who is this? This is, oh, Northcott. This is a really pretty Northcott group. This is one of their loose patterns called Puzzle Me.
So you won't find that in any of the books.
No, this is not in any of your books that you've got, okay? So that's Puzzle Me. And then we've got the really cool wood pressing block. This is a 9-inch square. So man, it's got nice weight to it. It's got a great handle on it. It really does help to press those blocks so much flatter for yourself. You will be in love with this. That's what I know. Anything else today, Deanna? Anybody asking me any good questions?
No, I'm just typing in here that it is a 9-inch square.
Correct. It even says it on the block, on the box. So remember, this is the place you want to be. Later this afternoon, I will be doing, actually just shortly here, I will be recording the video so that we can get my boyfriend's bag all put together. That is happening here shortly. So please grab that video and watch it so you're ready for Saturday when I get to see you to do our boyfriend's bag. Everybody have a great afternoon. Remember, this is the place you want to be. Mad Bees Quilt and Sew. Bye now.